package from Prozis today. PR peach. Here, syrup. This is one of my favorites. I always go towards this. Use this for pancakes, waffles. Really good. These are also really good here. This in your water, hydration. Has vitamin C and E and zinc. This is the fruit infusion flavor, watermelon and strawberry. So 2 of these. And then I also have this. You can also add this to your cereal or yogurt. It would be really good for this. I love it. You can also use it for your cereal. So it's really good. And I love these. You want some protein. The one I also showed here also has protein in here too. Looking for some good protein granola. Definitely get this one. So it is a protein granola, chocolate, and hazelnut. So this is 22% of the protein. It's really good. You can also use this for yogurt, or you can have it with your cereal. Mix it in, which is really good. And I also have this shaker bar holder. Use this for your water, protein. It's easy to use. You can see how you can put it on your barbell racks, and it can sit under against it. It's really good. I'm gonna pull this out so you can see what this looks like. Ooh, okay. That's interesting. And big, okay. How does he see you? This is really cool. I like this. So you open it here, and then let's see if we can get this open. Oh, there we go. And then this comes off, and then this one, which is pretty cool. Put that all inside. Especially if you're, you can also add your creatine in here too. And this has ounces. Goes up to 750 mil, and then for like, see, ounces, 25. So this is really hefty. It's really good, durable. So definitely be using this. Also have activewear too, just not the, you know, proteins and all that. So if you're also looking for activewear, this is definitely stretchy. The ribboning in here, detail. It also has a scrunch, medium scrunch detail right here. It's hard to pick up on camera, but I will be trying these on. I had gotten a size medium. This is 55% polyester, and it also has 38 polyester, 7% elastane. So it's very durable. I like that. And then it also has the logo probably on here too. You know, sort of big about camera, but it has their logo on the side here. So this is definitely soft material. So I'll definitely be trying these on and doing a review. And then another item here. Ooh, it's very lightweight. So this is definitely a tank top. You put it over your sports bra. And it also has a logo right here. So this is very nice. I love it. Soft, stretchy, nice material. Loves that. So if you liked any of the products I've shown, I do have a link, linking it down below in my description of all the different products that I've talked about and what I recommend. So you can use my link, take you straight to the website, and you can pick whichever products you want, or if the ones that I've shown, they always do good discounts and deals. So I also post on my Instagram page as well. So bye bye.